Flexion is a movement that decreases the joint angle. Example, flexing the arm. Extension is a movement that straightens a joint and generally returns a body part to the zero position. Example, straightening the elbow. Abduction is a movement of a body part away from the midline of the body. For example, raising your arms to the side of the body. Adduction is movement back toward the midline. Example, returning the limbs to zero position. Protraction is the anterior movement of a body part in the transverse plane. Example, pushing a door open. Retraction is the posterior movement of a body part in the transverse plane. Example, returning your shoulder to resting position after pushing a door open. Circumduction is when one end of an appendage remains fairly stationary while the other end makes a circular motion. Example, the shoulder remains stationary while the hand moves in a circle. Rotation is the movement in which a bone spins on its longitudinal axle. If you stand with a bent elbow and move your forearm to grasp the opposite arm, your humerus spins in a medial rotation, and back out, it's a lateral rotation. Supination is the movement that turns the palm to face anteriorly or upward. Pronation is the movement causing the palm to face posteriorly. Dorsiflexion is the movement in which toes are elevated. Plantar flexion is the movement of the foot so the toes point downward.